So what was that?
I just was changing lanes because this thing's so backed up. I didn't see your whole trailer. I just saw your car.
Yeah. So is there any problem?
I mean, my car is fucked, but it's like you did.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I mean, I noticed that you were back to.
Yeah, it's on there.
Shit.
I just fucking I didn't see your whole back, so
Yeah.
your whole trailer.
I mean, nothing happened to my truck. I'm not worried about it.
What's up?
I'm not worried about my.
Oh, your thing's fine. That shit's steel. Yeah, it's nothing you did wrong, Tony.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, everything is good here.
100%.
Yeah. I'm happy that you're okay. But
No, it's
yeah.
most likely cosmetic more than anything.
Yeah.
It's not the best.
Sheesh. Yo, dude, I'm really sorry about that.
No, it's all
I would have
good.
taken maybe
It's
to
not.
the right.
Yeah, it's not your fault.
Yeah,
Like I said, I saw your pad, but I didn't realize
you
how
can
long the
notice
trailer
the
pad is.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh,
Thank you, man.
Can I go?
Yeah, you're good. You're fine. I don't need anything from you. All right.
Man.
Take care,
All
man.
right, take care. All right.